Good afternoon. My name is Rebecca Park. I'm a nursing student with the University of Texas Arlington, and the class I'm in is Nursing Leadership in Complex Healthcare Systems. Today I will do a book review on Leadership in Healthcare by Richard B. Gunderman. The author's qualifications are Chancellor's Professor of Radiology, Pediatrics, Medical Education, Philosophy, Liberal Arts, Philanthropy, and Medical Humanities with Health Studies at Indiana University. The author of over 430 articles and has published 8 books. He received the Alpha Omega Alpha Robert J. Glacier Award for Teaching Excellence, the top teaching award from the Association of American Medical Colleges. The purpose of the book is to examine the essential role of leadership in the future of the medical profession. It examines the power of prospective leaders to negotiate for resources necessary to ensure the success of the organization. It examines the critical role of effective and enlightened leadership and how it affects society. The target audience: leaders of the medical profession, aspiring leaders of the medical profession, such as ourselves, and scholars of leadership in general. Strengths of the book. It was very easy to follow. Interesting stories that relate to life, biblical and historical. It reflects how everyday people can be leaders and encourages the reader to explore their own powers of leadership and insight as to how to develop these leadership skills. Shortcomings of the book. It was geared mainly to physicians. Much of the information was redundant from chapter to chapter, and it left you asking more questions than you had answers. Objectives. I believe they were met by the author. Examples of what it takes to be a true leader, such as understanding the people we work with. Examples of how organizations can mentor true leaders by thinking outside the box and being creative. Examples of how organizations succeed if leadership is strong through conversation and collaboration, and provides clear expectations of leaders and how a true role model leads by example. Examples of true leaders: Aristotle, William Harvey, Jane Austen, Andreas Vesalius, Soren Kierkegaard, and Akira Kurosawa. And I hope this gave you some insight to the recommendations of this book. I did give it an A+, and I recommended this book because it has the same philosophy as I do. Everyone has the potential to be a leader. Thank you and have a good afternoon.